What if I told you that just 7 minutes a day for 7 days could completely transform the way your belly looks and feels? No crazy diets, no expensive equipment, just your living room and a step-by-step plan that actually works. Stay with me until the end because I'm going to guide you through every single day, and I promise you'll feel the difference from day one. Before moving, if you are new to my channel, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Welcome to the 7-Day Flat Belly Challenge, your ultimate jumpstart to a slimmer, tighter, and more confident core. Over the next 7 days, we'll work together to strengthen your midsection, burn stubborn belly fat, and improve your posture, all from the comfort of your home. This isn't just another random workout video. This is a structured, science-backed challenge designed to give you real visible changes in just 1 week. Here's what makes this challenge powerful. It's progressive, meaning each day builds upon the previous one, keeping your body challenged without overwhelming you. It's short, so it easily fits into your schedule. And most importantly, it's sustainable, meaning you can repeat this every month to continue flattening and toning your belly without burning out. Make sure you have a mat or a soft surface, wear comfortable clothes, and keep a bottle of water nearby. Each day we'll spend just 7 to 10 minutes together moving through carefully selected exercises designed to target your belly from all angles, upper, lower, and obliques. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell because I'll be sharing more powerful routines just like this one that actually make a difference. Ready to start your 7-day transformation? Let's go. Day 1 starts now. Exercise 1. Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks are one of the most underrated yet incredibly powerful fat-burning exercises you can do without any equipment. They look simple, but when performed correctly, they can spike your heart rate, activate your metabolism, and kickstart the fat-burning process right from the first few seconds. For this exercise, stand tall with your feet together and arms by your sides. Now jump, spreading your legs wide as you lift your arms overhead. Return to the starting position and repeat this rhythmically for 60 seconds. The beauty of jumping jacks is that they engage your entire body, legs, arms, shoulders, and especially your core. The constant movement sends a strong signal to your body: wake up. It's time to burn fat. This exercise is perfect at the start of any weight loss routine because it warms up your muscles, increases blood flow, and sets the tone for the rest of the workout. As you perform jumping jacks, keep your knees slightly bent, land softly on the balls of your feet to avoid joint stress, and breathe deeply. Exhale every time you bring your legs together. Inhale when you jump out. After 60 seconds, rest for 20 seconds and feel the blood pumping through your body. Just 1 minute of this can burn up to 8 to 10 calories, and when combined with the rest of this challenge, it becomes a powerful tool for melting fat, especially stubborn belly fat. Exercise 2. High knees. High knees are a dynamic cardio move that fires up your core, blasts calories, and gets your whole body moving. Stand tall, feet hip width apart, and start jogging in place. But here's the key: lift your knees as high as possible, ideally to hip level, while pumping your arms as if you're sprinting. Perform this for 45 to 60 seconds, then rest for 20 seconds. What makes high knees so effective is the combination of speed and range of motion. This simple move elevates your heart rate, quickly forcing your body to tap into stored fat for fuel. Your lower belly gets a direct workout because your abs engage with every knee lift to stabilize your torso. Unlike slow cardio, high knees are explosive, burning more calories in less time and improving your agility, endurance, and coordination all at once. To do it right, stay on the balls of your feet, keep your chest up, and lean back slightly, not forward, to protect your lower back. Drive your knees up with power and match each lift with a strong arm swing. As you progress, try to go faster without losing form. This exercise is perfect for breaking a sweat fast, especially when combined with strength moves in this program. It can burn around 10 to 14 calories per minute depending on your intensity. So push yourself, breathe deeply, and remember, every knee lift brings you closer to a flatter belly and a lighter, more energetic version of yourself. Exercise 3. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are like doing cardio on the floor, intense, effective, and perfect for targeting stubborn fat around your belly while working your arms, shoulders, and legs. Start in a high plank position, hands under shoulders, body forming a straight line from head to heels. Now pull one knee toward your chest, then quickly switch like you're running in place horizontally. Continue for 30 to 45 seconds, then rest for 15 to 20 seconds. The key to burning fat with mountain climbers is maintaining a brisk but controlled pace. Don't bounce your hips up and down, keep them low and your core tight. Every time you drive your knee in, engage your abs as if you're zipping up tight jeans. This exercise is a double win. It's a full body strength move and a cardio burst in one. It improves cardiovascular endurance, tones your arms and shoulders, and directly targets the belly area. In just a minute, you can feel your heart racing and your abs working overtime. To make it easier, slow the pace down and focus on form. transform. To make it harder, pick up the speed or add a slight crossbody twist by aiming each knee toward the opposite elbow. Mountain climbers are also great because they require no equipment and very little space, making them the perfect anywhere, anytime fat-burning tool. Stick with this for a week and you'll notice your core strength improving, your endurance building, and your waistline starting to slim down one climb at a time. Exercise 4. Squat jumps. Squat jumps are a powerhouse move that burns calories fast, tones your thighs and glutes, and triggers fat loss by engaging large muscle groups. Start with your feet shoulder width apart. Lower yourself into a squat, hips back, chest up, knees behind your toes, then explode upward, jumping as high as you can. Land softly, sink back into the squat and repeat for 12 to 15 reps. Rest for 30 seconds afterward. This exercise is intense because it combines strength training with plyometrics. When you jump, your body demands a surge of energy which forces your metabolism to ramp up. After your set is done, your body continues burning calories for hours due to the afterburn effect. Keep your core engaged throughout and focus on controlled landings. Think quiet feet. Avoid locking your knees upon landing. Keep them slightly bent to absorb impact. If the jump feels too challenging at first, start with regular bodyweight squats and gradually add a small hop. Squat jumps not only help burn belly fat but also sculpt your lower body, giving you toned thighs, firm glutes, and a stronger core. Done consistently, this move improves your explosive power, agility, and overall calorie burn. After 1 minute of squat jumps, your legs will feel the burn, your heart will race, and your metabolism will be in overdrive. Pair this with a balanced routine and you'll see fat melting away, especially in stubborn areas. Exercise 5. Plank to shoulder tap. Plank to shoulder tap is a core tightening exercise that also strengthens your shoulders, arms, and stabilizing muscles, making it a perfect fat-burning move for the midsection. Start in a high plank position with hands directly under your shoulders. Keep your body in a straight line, don't let your hips sag or pike. Now lift your right hand to tap your left shoulder, then place it back down and repeat with the left hand. Continue for 30 to 45 seconds, then rest for 20 seconds. What makes this move so effective is that your core must fight to keep your body stable as you shift weight from one arm to the other. Each tap forces your abs, obliques, and lower back muscles to work harder, while your arms and shoulders get a bonus workout. To do this correctly, keep your feet slightly wider apart to increase stability and move your hands slowly to minimize hip rotation. The slower and more controlled your taps, the more your core engages. Plank to shoulder tap isn't about speed, it's about tension and control. Over time, this exercise improves balance, reduces love handles, and builds a strong flat midsection. It also has a low impact on your joints, making it safe for most fitness levels. Add this to your 7-day fat-burning challenge and you'll develop not only a slimmer waistline but also a firmer, more stable core that supports better posture and daily movement. Exercise 6. Burpees. Burpees are the ultimate full-body fat burner, combining cardio strength and explosive movement into one high-intensity exercise. Begin by standing with your feet shoulder width apart. Drop down into a squat, place your hands on the floor, and jump your feet back into a plank position. Do a quick push-up, then jump your feet back toward your hands and explode upward into a jump with arms reaching overhead. Perform 10 to 12 reps, then rest for 30 seconds. Why are burpees so effective for weight loss? Because they demand effort from nearly every muscle in your body: legs, core, arms, chest, and elevate your heart rate to a fat-burning zone within seconds. This means you're burning calories during the move and after, thanks to the afterburn effect. Form is crucial. Keep your core tight to protect your back. Land softly to reduce joint strain and avoid letting your hips sag during the plank. If you're a beginner, skip the push-up or replace the jump with a stand-up to make it easier. Burpees are challenging, yes, but they're also incredibly rewarding. Just a few minutes of burpees can torch 8 to 14 calories per minute, making them one of the most efficient exercises for rapid fat loss. Commit to this move over the next 7 days, and not only will your stamina skyrocket, but your belly will also start showing noticeable changes. Exercise 7. Reverse lunges with knee drive. This move combines lower body strength with cardio intensity, making it excellent for burning fat and toning legs. Start by standing tall with feet hip width apart. Step your right foot back into a lunge, lowering your body until your front thigh is parallel to the floor. As you return to standing, drive your right knee up toward your chest explosively. Repeat for 10 to 12 reps on one leg, then switch sides. The lunge works your quads, hamstrings, and glutes, while the knee drive adds a burst of cardio, raising your heart rate and engaging your core. This combination turns a simple lunge into a fat-burning powerhouse. Keep your chest lifted, shoulders back and front knee aligned with your ankle. Use your arms to generate momentum during the knee drive and exhale sharply as you bring your knee up. This move is especially effective for those who sit a lot during the day as it activates the glutes and improves hip flexibility. It's also great for sculpting the thighs while targeting lower belly fat indirectly through increased calorie burn. Add this to your routine for a dynamic fat-melting combo that strengthens your legs, tightens your midsection, and boosts overall athleticism. Exercise 8. Push UPS with knee tuck. This compound exercise works your upper body core and burns calories simultaneously. Begin in a push-up position with hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Lower your chest toward the ground while keeping your body straight, then push back up. At the top, bring your right knee toward your chest, return it, then repeat on the other side. Perform 10 to 12 reps. The push-up builds strength in your chest, shoulders, and arms, while the knee tuck activates your abs and obliques. Together, they create a fat-burning, muscle-toning combo that elevates your heart rate. Keep your core engaged throughout to avoid sagging hips. Move with control, especially during the knee tuck, to maximize ab activation. Beginners can modify this by doing the push-up on their knees or performing the knee tuck from a plank position without the push-up. This exercise improves upper body strength while directly targeting belly fat through core engagement. Over time, you'll notice not just a leaner midsection but also a stronger, more sculpted upper body. Exercise 9. Flutter kicks. Flutter kicks are a fantastic way to directly target the lower abs while boosting your heart rate slightly for additional calorie burn. Lie flat on your back, place your hands under your hips for support, and lift your legs about 6 to 8 inches off the ground. Alternate kicking your legs up and down in a fluttering motion for 30 to 45 seconds. The key here is control. Don't swing your legs too high, keep the movement small and tight. Press your lower back into the floor to avoid strain and keep your core engaged the entire time. Flutter kicks may seem simple, but they create intense tension in the lower belly, one of the hardest areas to tone. This move also strengthens your hip flexors and builds endurance in your core. If it feels too intense, raise your legs slightly higher or take short breaks. As your core gets stronger, you'll be able to maintain the low position for longer periods, accelerating your fat-burning progress. Combined with the other exercises in this program, flutter kicks will help carve out a slimmer waistline and a tighter, more toned midsection. Exercise 10. Skater jumps. Skater jumps are a fun, dynamic cardio move that mimics the motion of speed skaters, helping you burn fat while improving agility and balance. Start by standing with feet shoulder width apart. Jump to the right, landing softly on your right foot while swinging your left foot behind you without touching the ground. Then jump to the left, switching sides. Continue for 45 to 60 seconds. This side-to-side movement engages your legs, glutes, and core while getting your heart rate up quickly. The lateral motion also works your inner and outer thighs, which are often neglected in standard forward-backward exercises. Keep your chest up, back straight, and land softly to protect your knees. Swing your arms naturally to maintain balance, and try to cover more ground with each jump as you progress. Skater jumps are not just great for fat burning, they also improve coordination and strengthen stabilizing muscles, making them a fantastic all-in-one move for weight loss and functional fitness. Do this consistently and you'll notice better lower body tone, improved agility, and a higher calorie burn during your workouts. You've completed the 7-day flat belly challenge. That's a full week of consistent, smart effort, and your body is already thanking you. You might notice your jeans feel a little looser, your posture a bit straighter, or your core more engaged throughout the day. These are the first signs of real lasting change. Here's the secret: this challenge isn't just a quick fix, it's a foundation. If you loved how these 7 days made you feel, don't stop here. Repeat this challenge every month or mix these moves into your regular routine. Combine them with daily walking, plenty of water, and mindful eating, and you'll see your belly flatten and your energy soar. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below. I finished the 7-day challenge. I read every comment, and your feedback motivates me to create even more free programs for you. Remember, real results come from consistency, not perfection. You showed up equals, and that's what matters most. Keep going, keep moving, and your belly will thank you every single day. See you in the next challenge.